The tiny architect potter wasp at work. Have you ever seen a potter wasp build its home? Here, a tiny wasp works patiently, shaping her nest one drop of mud at a time. She doesn't rush. Each moment is precious, careful, and full of purpose. She mixes soil with her saliva, making a strong natural clay. Then she builds, crafting a little pot to protect her next generation. This little structure isn't just a nest, it's a cradle, a safe home for her baby to grow. Inside, she'll place a single egg and paralyzed caterpillar, a gift of food for the young one when it's hatched. She doesn't speak praise. She builds in silence, guided by instinct, shaped by nature. No tools, no help, just one wasp building a masterpiece. This is not just a survival, this is art, this is love in the wild's form. Thank you for joining with me. Please subscribe my channel